The lawyers turned up in their hundreds and gathered at the High Court here in Kampala to deliver a petition to Chief Justice Benjamin Odoki protesting the erosion of the rule of law and independence of the judiciary. The president of the Law Society, Bruce Cherere, handed over the petition and enumerated their grievances.
As a country, we have since lost direction set by the 1995 Constitution.
We have seen isolated cases where some errors have been made by magistrates and even judges. That's why you people are there, to ensure that those errors are corrected. Let me tell you this, I bear full responsibility administratively, not judicially.
Seasoned and young lawyers spoke out against the handling of the walk-to-work protests and how this threatened the rule of law in the country.
We are simply here to make a point that the rule of law in this country should be upheld.
All we want to say is that the judiciary, as an arm of government, should remain independent and carry out its duties constitutionally.
Our responsibility is to defend the rule of law, constitutionalism, independence of judiciary, and human rights. And as you are aware, all these have been abused, violated, and abandoned.
Members of the Law Society were particularly critical of the methods used by police to quell the protests.
Excessive use of force by the police, and strongly condemns the following: the loss of life, injuries to persons, and the destruction of property.
However, the Kampala Metropolitan Police spokesman disagreed with the criticism.
I don't think police is actually going beyond its mandate. I think we are using proportional force based on the force which is exerted by the opposite side.
The lawyers were also joined by women activists outside the High Court who voiced their displeasure at the current political situation in the country.
We as women in the civil society, we are part of this. These are our colleagues, and the issues that they're raising are the issues that we are concerned of.
The sit-down strike by the legal fraternity comes amid public concerns at the way the walk-to-work protests have been dealt with. Chris Ochamringa, NTV.